Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hook a pole station to a fire alarm with 9-volt batteries. So, and only use DC, 24-volt DC fire alarms because this video is not for AC fire alarms, it's just for DC fire alarms. But, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is just turn them over. I got a whole bunch of gator clips for my Christmas. So basically what you do, the first step, you want to hook one of your wires from the minus on the pole station, or the plus on the pole station, going to the minus on the alarm. So just like that. So that's the first step. The second step, take one wire going from the minus on the pole station and do not hook it to the plus in the fire alarm. So I better use the black clips for this since it's minus. And then you want to just click one other wire coming from the plus on the fire alarm, not hooking up to anything. So just like this. These gator clips are way easier to use than those crappy wires I've been using. So, and that is about it, basically. So the final step you want to do is just get 3 9-volt batteries and clip them together and hook the minus wire coming from the pole station to the minus on the battery, and then click the plus from the fire alarm going to the plus on the battery. So, and that is about it. So when I pull this here, it should go off. So here we go. Yep, it works. So that's about it. Bye.